Are you ready to tap into the other side of pain? The side that leads to glory and success. It's called effort, and it's time to embrace it. We've all felt the burn, the discomfort, the suffering that comes with pain. But what about the pain that pushes us to be better, to achieve our dreams, to become the best version of ourselves? We often give up so quickly in life because we're afraid of that pain. We rationalize with ourselves, telling ourselves that it's too much, that we can't handle it. But what if I told you that the greatest pain in my life is the reason I'm standing here today? What if the pain you're feeling right now is just pushing you towards your greatness? It's time to stop listening to that negative self-talk and start talking to yourself. You are great. You can handle this. You will overcome. It's time to increase your sense of self-appreciation and stand up for your dreams, your peace of mind, and your health. Yes, it's going to be tough. Change is never easy, but if you're serious about it, you'll go all out. You'll declare to the world that you are in control, that you will turn the situation around, that you won't sit back and let life happen to you. You will make it happen. When God gives you a dream, it will always be tested. The pressure you're feeling right now is not crushing you. It's pushing what's on the inside of you out. It's showing you who you are, and it's time to fight for that person. The road to success isn't easy. It's a dog fight, a rough and crooked path. But if you keep pushing, if you keep moving forward, you will receive a reward for the pain you've gone through. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. And if you can't walk, keep moving. So let's tap into that other side of pain, the side that leads to glory and success. Let's embrace the effort, the hard work, and the determination it takes to achieve our dreams. Let's declare to the world that we are in control, that we will make it happen, and that we will never give up.